I analyzed MrBeast's thumbnails and found these secrets, and I'm going to explain these to you. And trust me, the third one is very important. Secret number 1. Text style. After analyzing MrBeast's thumbnails, I found that he barely uses text in his thumbnails, and even if he does, it is always on the point and very less. But why? Because more text is equal to more effort to read, and more effort is equal to more chances that the viewer is going to scroll down. So always add as little text as you can. Secret number 2. Simplicity. Making thumbnails simple is a very important thing, and Jimmy knows that. By making a thumbnail simple, you are making sure that the viewer is going to understand what the thumbnail is about. Also, that is why he makes his thumbnails super simple. As you can see in MrBeast's this video's thumbnail, there are just 2 elements. First is Jimmy's photo, and second is the photo of Wells as a background. Secret number 3. Storytelling with the combination of thumbnail and title. Even though his thumbnails are that simple, he still manages to tell a story in his thumbnails by using the combination of thumbnail and title. Let's have a look at MrBeast's this video's thumbnail. This thumbnail is clear, easy to understand, and tells a story. What comes to your mind after seeing this thumbnail? Probably how much a $1 car is going to be. Why is a $100,000 car that expensive? And etc. To get the answer to these questions, you have to watch the video, so there is a high chance that the viewer is going to click the video. But there is another element in MrBeast's video's thumbnails which increases CTR a lot. If you don't know what CTR is, it stands for click-through rate. It simply means the percentage of people who clicked on your video after having an impression. Anyways, what is the element that increases MrBeast's CTR a lot? And that is secret number 4, facial expressions. Since there is a large number of kids on YouTube, facial expressions in a thumbnail play an important role in a video's success, and Jimmy knows this as well. So, he never forgets to take advantage of this. He always uses extreme facial expressions in his video's thumbnails because kids are more attracted to these types of thumbnails. So, friends, these are the secrets of MrBeast's thumbnails that I found. Do not forget to subscribe and like. Comment your opinions. I like to read your opinions. Goodbye.